won't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But every blue moon I come.
Can y'all believe that I've had my makeup on my face for almost 12 hours? I did my makeup earlier because it was my boyfriend's niece's birthday and we went out for her birthday for dinner. I wanted to look bomb because y'all see me on camera looking glam all the time, but I hardly ever wear makeup nowadays in real life. So I'm like, I want to look somewhat cute. So I did this look and I got so many compliments when I was at the mall earlier, when I was at dinner. If y'all want to see a tutorial on this, I'm using a new foundation. I am going to show y'all how I installed this gorgeous wig right here from Megalook Hair. This is one of their 30-inch straight 13x4 HD lace frontal wigs. She is nice and full. She came already silky straight. I did not have to style her. And this is probably the quickest I have ever installed a lace frontal wig to date. Like, I did this quick, okay? And she's looking so cute. I want to thank Megalook Hair for sponsoring today's wig install video for y'all. My mind is like all over the place, y'all, because I'm feeling like run down. I all of a sudden started just feeling not so good since I ate dinner. So I don't know, maybe I need to like chill out and rest and stuff. So yeah, if y'all want a makeup tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below and thumbs up this video. And if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. Y'all, I'm not sure what's going on, but I all of a sudden like just started feeling super like run down. I hope I am not getting sick, but let's go ahead and install this wig right here from Megalook Hair. I am so excited to see the wig in here. This is a 30-inch straight lace frontal wig, y'all. This is their Christmas packaging. So it does come with a bag of freebies. It has an HD wig cap, pair of lashes, elastic band, edge brush, as well as a hair clip. And the hair comes packaged in this plastic bag right here. Let's get into this texture, y'all. Look at that straight. It just looks so nice and silky, and it's as thick on the bottom as it is on the top. I freaking love that. No scraggly ends whatsoever on this wig. Here is a close-up of the hairline. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. It does have a pre-plucked hairline and it has mini knots and they have been pre-bleached. This wig is already styled in a side parting, y'all, and it looks really good. The lace has not been pre-cut, so we can go ahead and customize the lace ourselves. And here is the inside of the wig cap. It does have one wig comb in the middle here, and then it has one wig comb in the middle back portion of the wig, and then it also has this adjustable strap. I'm gonna go ahead and put this elastic strap on first. So we're gonna tuck that behind the head. We're gonna pull the wig down, and then I'm gonna use that tiny comb in the back to secure it to the back of my head. And then I'm going to pull the lace from underneath here. And it feels nice and secure. I'm gonna cut off this excess lace just around the ear area. So I'm gonna take out about that much of the hair, and we're just gonna cut the lace right around that ear tab area. And don't be afraid to cut all this lace behind the ear, y'all. It's really not necessary. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pull my ear out like so. Next, I'm gonna take this Wonder Lace spray adhesive in the yellow can, and I'm gonna spray this across my entire hairline, y'all. One layer should be more than enough. We're gonna wait for that to get tacky, then we'll lay the lace down. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side as well. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take my elastic melting band and I'm going to tie this around the hairline. I'm gonna keep this on my head for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. So let's go ahead and remove this melting band. I'm gonna start with the eyebrow scissors, y'all. I know the lace looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix it, don't worry. So these little areas that are not laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and take the spray under there and then we're just gonna lay the lace down on top of it. And I'm gonna do the same thing across my entire hairline, y'all. So next I'm gonna take my melting band again and we're gonna tie it around the entire hairline. I melt the wig for a second time. I know y'all can see that that lace is visible and that's because I did not tint the lace yet. I'm gonna go ahead and use this powder from Makeup Forever and I'm just gonna buff this on top of the lace right here, y'all, to blend it into my skin. Next, I'm gonna do some baby hairs around the hairline, y'all. So the baby hairs are now laid, y'all. Look at that. It looks really, really nice. I'm gonna take my Ebin wax stick around this hairline here, just to lay this area nice and flat. Then I'm gonna take my olive oil spritz around the hairline too. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and lay this top part nice and flat. Then I'm gonna take my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray and spray it on the top of the wig just to lay down any flyaways. I'm gonna take a bit of concealer down my parting area just to make sure that you can't see this line of demarcation where wig cap underneath begins. The hair is nice and silky straight, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and brush through the hair. It really does not need to be straightened again. So we're just gonna brush through this baby. And this is the style, y'all. It was so easy to install this lace frontal wig, y'all. Look at her. She's cute. I'm not mad at this at all. 30 inches, and I did her on the side. Y'all know I live for like a middle part straight wig. A lot of people love a middle part straight wig, but a slightly off the center side parting is chef's kiss on a straight wig too. So definitely try this out and let me know what y'all think about this style in the comment section down below. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Megalook Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. And if you have not already checked out my latest video, What Are You Doing, Boo? Keep the party going and check it out now.